Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to transpose your data on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. First of all, open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. Well, to transpose your data, there are two ways. The first one is to copy your data like this and paste it here, but we will go for a paste special. Yes, after copying it, right click on it and copy. No, selected copy. We go here in whatever cell that you want to copy your data in, and then go to the special paste special and click here. You will find in this menu the transpose option. As you can see, uh, the rows or the columns become rows, and our items or our rows become in columns. So this is how you transpose with this method or this manual method. There is another one is by using a function or a formula. First of all, you have to insert the operator of formulas, and it is equal operator. Now we will let's change the language. Now we will just use the function transpose, and all we have to enter here is the array of range or the range of data. All we have to do now is click and enter, and simply it will do it automatically and easily. It will transpose your data. So this is how you transpose your data from your spreadsheets. Thank you for watching and goodbye.